Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer TikTok leads into HubSpot using Make.com. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer TikTok leads into HubSpot using Make.com, start by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Builder, search for and select the TikTok app. Next, choose the trigger event that corresponds to new leads generated on TikTok. Connect your TikTok account by following the prompts to authorize Make.com. After successfully connecting, configure the trigger settings to ensure you capture the right lead information. Now, add a new module by clicking on the plus icon in the Scenario Builder. Search for and select the HubSpot app. Choose the action event that allows you to create a new contact in HubSpot. Connect your HubSpot account by following the authorization steps. Once connected, map the fields from your TikTok lead data to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. This ensures that all the necessary information is transferred properly. After mapping the fields, test your scenario to confirm that data flows correctly from TikTok to HubSpot. Review the test results and check for any errors. If your test is successful, you can activate your scenario by clicking the toggle switch. Now, your scenario is live and will automatically transfer TikTok leads into HubSpot. Monitor the scenario performance periodically to ensure everything continues to work smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.